Hi there, we are just looking at areas of a circle today. So a little bit like circumference of a circle, there's a bit of a formula to using this. And the key thing you need to be aware of, obviously, the use of pi. All right, so pi is something that you need to calculate the circumference, like it says there, but also you need it for the radius. So pi is just a number, it's 3.14, and it's often obviously given on a calculator to support you in terms of doing anything involving a circle. All right, so the area is given as pi times radius squared. All right, so pi times radius squared. It's essentially the same as pi times radius. But let's look at an example in terms of how to do it. All right, so you need to figure out what the radius is, and of course that's the distance from the centre to the outside. So the example shows you, which is 3. So you would literally just do pi times 3 squared. All right, so 3 squared is going to be 9. So it's going to be pi times 9. And if it was a non-calculator paper, and potentially it could be, then you would leave your answer as 9 pi. All right, so if you have to leave something in terms of pi, that's all you do. You do the bits that you can do without a calculator and then leave it as that. So it'd be just 9 pi. If obviously it's a calculator paper and the mice you leave it in terms of a decimal, then of course you need to press your SD button and it'll give you 28.3. And of course it is area, so don't forget centimetre squared. All right. If you are given the diameter, now if you don't need the diameter, what we do need is the radius. Then of course to get the radius, you need to half this value here because we need to chop it from there. So the radius is actually going to be 4. All right, so pi times 4 squared. So that's going to give you 16 pi. All right, so again, you would leave it 16 pi for non-calculator paper. And in a calculator paper, then of course you can put that in your calculator. It's going to give you 50.3. And again, not forgetting the fact it is area, so metres squared. All right, so that's your lot. Have a get yourself onto maths-school.co.uk and get some practice on it. Thanks for listening.